Local news for Tuesday, the 4th of August. Deputy Prime Minister Winston Peters and Infrastructure Minister Shane Jones have announced more than $100 million for regions to protect against and mitigate the effects of climate change. The Rumahanga River Scheme will benefit to the tune of $1 million to buffer land establishment and plant trees, as well as stop bank reconstruction. The 12 finalists for the 2020 Great New Zealand Toasty Takeover have been revealed, with Masterton's 10 o'clock cookie bakery and cafe one of the 12. The creation is a sweet and spicy pork toasty with barbecue pulled pork, McClure's sweet and spicy pickles, fresh pineapple, gooey cheese and crunchy red onion, stacked in thin homemade artisan bread. The final round of judging takes place this month, with the winner revealed on the 3rd of September. Dave Dobbin will be performing at the Carterton Event Centre later this month. Dobbin will bring his band for the Open Up Tour, with tickets going on sale yesterday. And tickets are also on sale for one of the region's biggest events, Toast Martinborough, set to take place on the 15th of November. In hockey, the Dalefield women picked up a 7-0 win over Kapiti at the weekend, the men beating Indians 9-1. And in football, the Wairarapa United men beat Lower Hutt 1-0, while the women picked up a 6-3 victory over Western Suburbs. A good weekend all round. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.